What's the meaning of celebration? Celebration. Celebration.
Celebration. Celebration. Celebration refers to the act of observing an event or occasion with festivities, joy, and public acknowledgement. It marks a momentous occasion, such as a birthday, wedding, graduation, or significant achievement. Celebrations often involve decorations, music, food, drink, and social gathering. The result of a celebration is a sense of collective happiness, unity, and bonding among participants. It creates memories and strengthens relationships while providing a break from routine life. Celebrations can also foster a sense of pride and patriotism by acknowledging national holidays or cultural traditions. Overall, celebrations bring people together to commemorate significant moments in their lives and create lasting positive experiences.